How to build a freelance profile. To build a freelance profile, firstly you will need to choose a freelance platform. There are different kind of freelance platforms available out there, so you will need to pick the one which suits you. If you go on Google and type in freelancing platform, you will see all the platforms listed out. Now you can do your research and choose one. One very popular freelancing platform is LinkedIn. LinkedIn is very professional and most of the jobs look for LinkedIn profile. So make sure that you are also updating your LinkedIn profile. And now you need to be clear on your niche. There are different kind of freelancing niches out there. So search for it and select the one which suits you. While making your freelancing profile, it is really important that you keep a great profile picture. Most of the freelancing platform will require you to upload a profile picture. Make sure that the picture is professional. While creating a profile, keep your real name. You will also need a good bio. If you want a great bio, then you can use AI. Just keep in mind that the bio represents who you are. Let's talk about experiences or your previous project. Make sure that you are highlighting your best works at top. Along with that, set your price. Don't set your price too low or too high. By following these tips, you will have a great freelancing profile. That's all for today. Thank you.